Hey there, food lovers! Welcome back to another delicious episode. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a mouth-watering lamb chop platter with cheesy potato skins. This dish is not only scrumptious but also surprisingly easy to prepare. It's a perfect dish for impressing your friends or treating yourself to something special. Imagine the joy on their faces when you serve this up. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk lamb chops. Lamb chops are the star of this dish, and choosing the right ones is crucial. Head to your local butcher or supermarket and pick up some nice, thick lamb chops. Look for ones with a good amount of marbling for extra flavor. Season them generously with salt, pepper, and a sprinkle of fresh rosemary. The seasoning is key to bringing out the natural flavors of the meat. Trust me, the rosemary makes a world of difference. It adds a fragrant, earthy note that complements the richness of the lamb. Now, set those aside to marinate while we work on our potato skins. The longer they marinate, the more flavorful they will be. Grab a few large potatoes, give them a good wash, and then poke some holes in them with a fork. This helps them cook evenly. Pop them into a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius, that's 400 degrees Fahrenheit for my American friends, and let them bake for about an hour until they're nice and tender. Baking them slowly ensures they become soft and fluffy inside. While the potatoes are baking, let's get those lamb chops sizzling. The aroma will fill your kitchen and make everyone hungry. Heat up a grill pan or a regular frying pan over medium-high heat. You want it hot enough to sear the meat and lock in the juices. Drizzle a bit of olive oil, and once it's nice and hot, lay those chops down. The sizzle is music to a chef's ears. You'll want to cook them for about 3-4 minutes per side for a lovely medium rare. This will give you a juicy, tender chop with a slightly pink center. If you prefer them more done, go ahead and cook them a bit longer. Just be careful not to overcook them, as lamb can become tough. Once they're done, let them rest for a few minutes. Resting allows the juices to redistribute, making the meat even more flavorful. Alright, our potatoes should be ready by now. Carefully take them out of the oven, and let them cool just enough to handle. You don't want to burn your hands. Slice them in half, and scoop out most of the insides, leaving just a little bit of potato to hold the skins together. This creates a perfect vessel for our cheesy filling. Now for the fun part, the cheesy goodness. Cheese makes everything better, right? Mix the scooped out potato with some shredded cheddar, a bit of butter, a dollop of sour cream, and some chopped chives. This combination is creamy, tangy, and utterly delicious. Spoon this mixture back into the skins, top them with a bit more cheese, and pop them back in the oven for about 10 minutes until they're golden and bubbly. The cheese will melt and create a beautiful crust. Time to plate up. Presentation is key, so take your time arranging everything nicely. Arrange your beautifully seared lamb chops on a platter, and nestle those cheesy potato skins right alongside. The colors and textures will make your dish look as good as it tastes. For a bit of freshness, add a simple salad of mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, and a light vinaigrette. This will balance the richness of the lamb and potatoes, and there you have it, a stunning lamb chop platter with cheesy potato skins, perfect for any occasion. Whether it's a family dinner or a special celebration, this dish is sure to impress. Give it a try and let me know how it goes in the comments below. I love hearing your feedback and seeing your creations. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking! Until next time, keep experimenting and enjoying your culinary adventures.